Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope everyone is doing well in their life and are happy and content. Even if you are not, feel relaxed. Okay, life is a part of ups and downs, so ignore that thing and concentrate on your mathematics. So today we are going to discuss about what one question I have brought for you, and so let me read it out for you so that you can understand, and then we will be solving it out. So let's begin. So the question says, some identical cards are numbered from 2 to 25. Identical cards means same sort of cards पे numbering कर दी है 2 to 5. Okay. When well shuffled, when a card is drawn randomly, what is the probability that the card has? See, what does it mean? It simply means that there are some cards available, identical cards, and we are not talking about that simple card. These are the identical cards. Okay, normal cards we are talking about. So some identical cards are there, their numbering are being put it over there. Okay, fine. And they are asking what's the probability of getting a prime number, and second part says not a multiple of 7. So we will be finding out the probability for that. So without wasting our time, let's get started with it. See, first thing we need to know, see, it says numbers from 2 to 25. So we need to know what are the total number of cards. So we can say total number of cards equals to 24. Why? Because it's range from 2 to 25. If it would have been from 1 to 25, then it would have been 25 over here. But it has been ranged from 2 to 25. Okay. If it would have ranged from 3 to 25, then 23 cards would have been there. Okay? Getting my point? So there are only 24 cards. See, now says a prime number. You know what a prime number is? Anyone? See, if we talk about prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 1 or itself. That's it, not in any other table. So 1, we don't have 1 right now because it says 1 from 1 to 25. Okay, so now what we will have? Prime numbers. So if we talk about prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself, not other than that. So let's write some prime numbers. So we will have to start from 2. So 2 is a prime number. Yes. 3. Yes. 5, 7, 9, no. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. No, we have to go till 25. So see, all these numbers are divisible by their own selves or 1, not other than that. So let's see how many are these being formed. 1, 2, this is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So these are how many in numbers? Total is 9. Okay. So probability for prime number equals to okay. What was the formula we told you in the previous clips? Was number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So let me write. Number of favorable outcomes is how many? 9. Total number of outcomes is how many? 24, as total number of cards are 24. So let's divide. It is a 8. Okay. So we can say that is 3 by 8. So probability for prime number will be what? 3 by 8. So now I hope this being understood. What we did nothing. We read out the question first. The question condition was from 2 to 25. So what we did, let me come on this side so that it's clear. Yeah, now the board is clear. So what happened from 2 to 25? We found out first of all how many total number of cards are there. It started from 2 to 25, so we excluded 1, and total number of cards were 24. Then our condition says find out the prime numbers. Prime numbers, we know what are the prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by their own cells and 1. So 1 was not included, so we didn't take it. And then we got how many prime numbers here? 9. And then we put the formula for probability. What was that? Number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. And then we got it and while solving it. Now let's move to our next part for the same question. So part 2 says, see, this is part 2. What is that? Not a multiple of 7. So first we will be doing working for that. Let me rub the board. Okay. So part 1 is done, so I am rubbing this. Okay. Now we will be doing this part over here. Okay. So it says not a multiple of 7. How we will find out? First we will write multiple of 7, or we can write not a multiple of 7. So in place of that I will tell you very simple easy trick. Both ways we can do. Okay, either we can start from writing multiple of 7, or we can write skip that and not a multiple of 7. So I will start with multiple of 7. So we all know 7 table, it starts from 2 to 25, so 7 will come 14, 21. Other than this, it will not go in a table of 7. Simply we have, now we have not a multiple of 7. So what we will do, total number of cards is 24 minus multiple of 7. Here we are doing what? I am writing multiple of 7. Fine. This is what? This is total cards. Okay. So 24 minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 came here. So how many came? 21. So for probability not a multiple of 7 equals to number of favorable outcome upon total number of outcome. Okay. Number of favorable outcome is 21. Total number of outcome is 24. It can be cancelled. Yes, it can be cancelled by the table of 3. Here will come 7. Here will come 8. So 7 upon 8 is the probability of what? Not a number of 7. I hope till now this question is being clear to you. So in terms, it would have an ask like here. It asked for not a multiple of 7. This I would have done by a second way also, by like writing not a multiple of 7. I would have started from 2 only. Okay, 2 is not a multiple of 7. 3 is also not there. I would have written that numbers also. But in order to minimize my calculation part, what I did, as I know, okay, what I did, I have written the multiple of 7. Then I subtracted from total number of cards minus multiple of 7, and then I got total number directly over there, so that in order to avoid mistakes or something. So this thing is more convenient, I feel. And either if you want, you can write non-multiple of 7 first and then make a group and then form a set and then can put the value. Either way you do, it is correct. Whatever comfortable way you feel, you can do like that. Okay. I hope till now this question is being clear to you all. Let's have some more question so that you may feel more confident about it. Let me rub the board and get back to you. Now let's have a look with our next question. This question is also based on numbers. So let's have a look. It says if 2-digit numbers, now listen carefully. What it's saying, 2-digit numbers are made. Now we have to make a number. We have to form a number with some digits are given. 3, 5, 7, 9. Digits can be any. Okay. What is the probability that the number is greater than 75? And second part says both numbers are identical. First, what we will do? First, we will form numbers, which is 2-digit numbers with the help of these 4 digits. First, we will form 2-digit numbers with these given numbers. So first, let's find out total number of outcomes. Okay, first we will find out that. So let's begin. So we will write 2 digit numbers equals to, we have to form with digit 3, 5, 7, 9. What are the digits? Digits are 3, 5, 7 and 9. By these we have to form 2 digit numbers. So let's begin. First we will begin with 3. 3, 33, fine. 35, 37, 39. Okay. Then I'll make a pair with 5. So it can be what? 53, 55, 57, 59. One thing you will notice that I am starting here with forming what? Ascending number. I am following what? Ascending number. Okay. Then we have 73. Why? Because we have to form with 3 also. 75, 77, 79. Now we have what? 9 is left. So 9 will continue with 3, 9 with 5, 9 with 7 and 9 with 9 itself. Okay. So our digits, 2 digit numbers are formed. So let's see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So total numbers are how many? Total number are how many? 16. Total numbers equals to 16. Okay. Now the condition says, let's begin to our first part. What it says? Greater than 75. So we will be writing greater than 75. So let's see. This will not include. So if we will be 5 range will not include, we will directly jump to this one. So let's greater than. It's not said greater than equal to. If it would have said greater than equal to, we would have included 75. Now it is saying what? Greater than 75. So what we will be doing? We will be excluding 75. So we will begin with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want, you can write it here also. 77, 79, 93, 95, 97, 99. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total are 6. Probability for greater than 75 equals to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Okay, this is S. Okay. So let's have that 6. What are the total number of outcomes? 16. So it can be considered by the table of 2, 31, 3 and 8. I hope this is clear. Probability for number greater than 75. This one part is being clear to you all. I hope. What we did nothing. First we followed the question. Always while doing questions, always follow what the question is saying. Okay. Then only try to solve it out. First we made the 2 digit numbers. As the question said, if 2 digits numbers are made. So first we made 2 digit numbers. Then we read it out the condition. Fine. Okay, fine, greater than 75 it is asking. So we directly jump to 75 and then we have seen, okay, what are the numbers which are greater than 75. And then we have put the values in the formula. Now let's have our next question which says both numbers are identical. So I will be doing here only. Space is there, I hope. It's clear? Yeah. For both numbers are identical. So what are they? 33, 55. So 77 and 99. Both numbers are identical. Identical means both numbers are same. How many are there? 4. So let me tilt it little bit so that you can see. Okay, so I'll be writing directly here. Probability, I think it's clear. Probability, both numbers are identical. I'm not writing a formula here, the number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Even if you want, I can do that. Let me tilt it a little bit so seen clearly. So number of favorable comes upon total number of outcomes. What's that? 4 upon 16. This is 4 and total number is 16. So we can write 1 upon 4. This is probability for both number are identical. Okay. So in this we did nothing. We just checked which are the pairs which are identical and we put the value, find it out how many are there. There are 4 and we just put it in the value in the formula, number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes, and then we find it its value. I hope till now your question is being clear. This question series was based on the numbers and now we will be having more questions. Adhan ho rahi hai 2 minute. So I hope the concept of probability for and solving question based on numbers is clear. Some sort of questions can be applied. Sometimes they will give you this sort of question, and when you will do practice on these, so you will understand more clearly about it. I hope till now it's been clear. We will be having more questions based on probability, so that the topic called probability is clear to you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time and energy, and thank you for your support. Stay strong, stay positive. Allah Hafiz. See you soon.